So let's talk a little bit about hygiene in between clients. So here is our table. So more or less I've got a can of Glen 20 or something handy in case anybody does have a cold and they still want a massage for whatever reason, or they don't tell me about it or something like that. I've got this to spray around the place, spray on the table, on the surface of the table, not so much the covers, although if they have coughed or whatever, I'll give it a quick spray over. I can spray all my equipment down with it, everything like that. So you need something like that. As well as that, you want like a little pump bottle or squirt bottle of hand sanitizer as well, just in case that person does have some skin condition or something like that and you get any contaminant on your hands, you want to kill it straight away. So there's that. Now I talked about it before, but the nappy liners that I use for the face are easily thrown away. You only ever use linen once with one person. So what I mean there is you use it the once, you put it in to be washed. I'm not a big fan of turning it over and using it again with another person because, I mean, the contaminants are still in that linen. So put it on, have the person on, wash it straight away. Infection control is a huge issue and it's just covering your own butt. So you don't run into any legal ramifications afterwards. Now, other things I use when I'm finished, I will grab a spare bit of towel or a bit of linen there. I will wipe my hands with it there. Instruct the person, take your time getting up. I'll go grab you a glass of water and wash my hands and come back. So, before I leave, I normally, for the sake of tidiness on here, haven't got it there, but I have a little hand washer over the hook here, as I'm so lucky to be provided with. So, I just come up, wipe my hands as clean as I can before touching any doorknobs, which are another place where infection likes to spread. Just a handy little hint there. The towel there, wherever you can, wiping your hands as clean as possible before you touch any doorknobs or anything else. So, yeah, and before you go to touch anything, before you start the massage, wash your hands. Washing hands is paramount, especially for WH&S reasons in Australia. You need to be able to show that you know how to wash your hands, not just a quick rub like that, but you need to completely wash all through the fingers, into the webs of the hands, everything. Make sure your hands are clean. Anyway guys, that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one.